Hi, if you need to drill holes in sheet metal, anything larger than I suppose about 13-14 mil, most drill chucks won't take anything like that. So the alternative is either Q-Max cutter, which manual labour, cuts a nice hole, not sure how thick sheet it'll go through, or the other alternative is hole saws, which are a bit brutal at times because they are exactly what they say, they're a hole saw, they saw a hole, but they do fit in standard chucks. So the alternative to all of that is, move it out of the way, is a Blacksmiths drill set. This one is about £30, I think, from most outlets. Comes in a nice wooden box. A couple of catches there, and there. There we go. So these are all, I've all got a 13 mil shank on them. I haven't even opened these yet. If I can get this open one-handed. The sizes are, well, written there, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 25. That one don't want to play. Let's try and find a small one that'll come out. So they've been machined down to a 13 mil shank so that you can use them in your drill press. I'm not sure how they would be in a handheld drill. I don't know whether they would be quite snatchy at that sort of size anyway. But as an alternative to all these bits and pieces, and as I say, the hole saw is quite brutal, and mainly I should imagine just for sheet steel, whereas if you do need to go a bit deeper, these would be ideal. As I say, for £30, it's well worth getting, especially if you've got a nice little drill press. That's it there, the Clarke 8-piece Blacksmith high-speed steel drill set. Hope this is of some use. Thanks for watching.